Hey guys, it's Jesse, and today we're building this table saw. This minifigure is actually pieced together using the torso and the leg prints from the Series 13 Carpenter, and I changed out his hat and added some gloves. And this table saw is actually a pretty simple and quick build, and I did want to show you the parts right up front so you can gather those pieces and we can get building. This next technique is considered illegal when you pull off the steering wheel and put it on one of these rounded tiles with a pin holder. I think that this looks better on the build, and I've done this before in my antique sewing machine build if you've seen that video, but I also wanted to show you as an alternative you can use a regular steering wheel and it fits right under the groove of the tile. So either one works, and it's just based on your own preference.